Let's start question number second of exercise 10th E. Question is subtract 2 by 3 minus 2 by 6. See, both the fractions are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. That means these are unlike fractions. For subtracting the fractions, first of all, we will convert the fractions into like fractions. Okay, so how we will convert? There are two methods. First is we multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by the denominator of second fraction and second fraction by the denominator of first fraction. Okay, so this will be 12 upon 18 and this will be 6 upon 18. Fine. Now subtract the fractions. Now these fractions are like fractions. The denominators of both the fractions are same. So we can subtract 12 upon 18 minus 6 upon 18. So this will be 12 minus 6 upon 18, which is 6 upon 18. Now reduce the fraction into lowest terms. 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6 and 18 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 2 and 2 cancel out, 3 and 3 cancel out. So this will be 1 upon 3. Okay, this is first method to solve the question. Now second method is we take the least common multiple. Okay, we take the least common multiple of the denominators and see the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. These are the multiples of 3 and multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18. Now common multiples. Common multiples are, see, this 6 is common. 6 is in both 3 and 6 and 12 is also common. Okay. So we take the least common multiple and least common multiple is 6. Okay. Now what we do, we make the denominator of both the fractions 6. This is the second method to solve the question. LCM is 6. We will make the denominator of both the fractions 6. Okay. So I'll multiply the numerator and first denominator of first fraction by 2. So this will be 4 upon 6 and this is already 6. So we will multiply it by 1. Okay. Now subtract the fractions. 4 by 6 minus 2 by 6. This is 4 minus 2 upon 6, which is 2 upon 6. Now reduce the fraction into lowest terms. 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 and 2 cancel out. This will be 1 upon 3. Okay, this is second method to solve this question. B part is 3 by 4 minus 1 upon 3. Both are unlike fractions. So first step is to convert the fractions into like fractions. Okay, so multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by the denominator of second fraction and second fraction by the denominator of first fraction. So this will be 9 upon 12 and this will be 4 upon 12. Now subtract the fractions. 9 upon 12 minus 4 upon 12. Okay, this 3 by 4 has become 9 upon 12 and 1 upon 3 has become 4 upon 12. Now we will subtract these two fractions. So we subtract the numerators only and take the common denominator. So this will be 9 minus 4 is 5 upon 12. Okay. C part is 8 upon 10 minus 3 upon 5. So multiply the numerator and denominator of first fraction by the denominator of second fraction and second fraction by the denominator of first fraction. Okay, 8 5s are 40, 10 5s are 50 and 3 10s are 30, 5 10s are 50. Now subtract the fractions. 8 by 10 has become 40 upon 50 and 3 by 5 has become 30 upon 50. Now we will subtract the numerators only and take the common denominator. Okay, and 40 minus 30 is 10 upon 50. 0 and 0 cancel out. This will be 1 upon 5. Okay, so this is question number second of exercise 10th E.